we're going to make some super duper yummy pancakes. Let's see our ingredients and then let's get started. So we have some salt, some baking powder, some sugar, some cocoa, some flour, some yogurt, some honey, some raisins, some cereal with some melted butter, and you'll see we have some other things. So you'll see, and you saw my little like Let's add this dry ingredients and not these two, and also we'll have this yogurt, raisins, cereal, and some yogurt. There. We have a normal big spoon. No, this one's a tablespoon. So now we're going to leave this for about 5 minutes. But first, we're going to mix it up with a whip. What kind do you have? I have this, and what I'm mixing with here. If you have some hard cereal, you have to leave it, but if you have some soft cereal, you don't need to. So now let's add our dry ingredients. First, let's start with some flour. Then, now let's get some sugar. We have this tablespoon of sugar. Okay, we'll get 2 of these. 1, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we have to, you can do salt or our cocoa. So I have a little bit of here left. Be careful, it might get your nose in your. I know, it wasn't. I think that's enough. Next, let's move on to a tiny bit of salt. Pinch of salt. I told you, okay. And then now we need to mix it up with whisk. This is a different kind of whisk, not that one. That one is soggy. I mean, not soggy, but other one. Okay, let's add some baking powder. 1 teaspoon. Teaspoon is right here. This one? Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It's still a bit messy. There. Now, I think we mix it up again. So, our cereal has stand for a while. Now we can add it to our dry ingredients. Well. Oopsies. Now let's add some honey. 2 teaspoons of honey. Anywhere, not even there. Okay. Now let's add one more. Hey, oh, super like sticky, and get stick to the whisk, not mix. Mix is enough. Yeah, I can't really. It's super. Is it enough now? Okay, let's go and bake it. Let's go and bake it. So you have to be really careful because it's so hot. Let's get started. So now let's spread the oil on here, on the bottom, not on here. Just on the bottom. So then our pancakes don't stick to our frying pan.
Or skillet.
Or skillet. So let's get some of the dough on. I don't know. So then it doesn't look like a baby pancake. Oopsies. It's okay. Baking pancakes is so much fun. Which one? I need to get this one and also the. Oopsies. That's so funny. Pops. There. Now let's flip it over. Whoa! That might be not really cooked. Wait, so funny. Oh, that one's time to flip over. Mom, this was time to flip over. I don't know how this calls. No, this is hot for me. Only for this. It looks like a little bit warm with this glove. Don't want to do that, except for the pancake machine. I think our pancakes are ready. They're so silly and yumpy. Hey, this is a silly day. The pancakes are dripping, the towels are getting off. That's so funny. And I want to add one more pancake. Now our pancakes are ready, so now let's eat our pancakes. These are going to be really yummy. I added up, seems like a fishy. I added some jam with some maple syrup in it here, and some sour cream. And if you want, you can add some maple syrup on top. But I don't want to. I don't have maple syrup in my jam. And even it has strawberries. Okay, let's add some sour cream to your. Oh, please. There you go. And also, gonna eat it. Yummy, I know. Yummy in my tummy. Now let's cut it up. Like I did with the banana pancakes. No, we tried these. These are yummy. Yummy. Whoa, big one, I know. Oopsies. Help, help, help. I feel raisins out. I really feel some cereal. Pancake machine. 2 bites. Okay. Over. I will tell you, but not right now. And different. She might guess, but might know, but might not. I know I don't have like a machine. It's just like you got her machine. See, it only went. After this is of course time for dessert, but not yet. I finished my sour cream. Yummiest jam. Time for dessert. So, dessert time. We see real soon. Just getting a dessert. I got some not really. Okay. Ooh, even they are bigger than you ever saw. See? Got nuts in there. Let's show you closer. I don't see. I don't think you can see. See? The nuts in there. I got all the colors of the rainbow. Not all of them. Most of them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And I already used blackish, violet, or purple colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and gold violet. It was nuts. Nuts, I think, never bring to school. Maybe only if you have permission from your teacher. So, that's it for today. So, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is click comment. You want to spell my Twitter? L-E-V. We'll see you soon. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.